Man, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video of Vento with Drizz. I hope all you guys having a great morning, a great afternoon, a great evening, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope you're doing good overall, you feel me? For my new people, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell while you're at it too. I highly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You feel me? I hope all you guys doing good, and let's get into the video, y'all. Always follow your intuition. Never go against it. One thing I can say is, bro, every single time I went against it, I was wrong. You know? That was my biggest mistake. Whenever you feel something in your stomach, that feeling, that is God talking to you, yo. That's God letting you know. You feel weird about something, you feel off about something. I'm gonna tell you, bro, it's not coming from nowhere. It's coming from something. And one thing you should do is always trust it. You know what I'm saying? I tell myself I'm never going to go against it ever again. Because every single time I did, I was wrong. Yet again. And it's like with intuition, bro, it's a beautiful thing. In my perspective. I know like my mom, bro, she has a very, very strong intuition. Especially like when it comes to me. You know, like sometimes we be talking and she be like, your blessing is about to come. You about to receive big rewards. Your life is about to change. She will say stuff like that and something good will happen. You know what I'm saying? Or she'd be like, I don't think you should go out tonight, this, that, because she just don't feel like I should. And I trust her intuition because I know a mother's intuition never lies. You know what I'm saying? When is a time when your intuition worked? Comment down below. Let me know. I'ma go too. For me, bro, there's a time when I always felt off about this person that I was dating. I didn't know what it was, but I always felt off. We could be hanging out, I'll be over her house, just chilling. And you know, I should be in a good mood at that time, but I wasn't. I always felt off. I always felt like something was wrong. And it's actually crazy because I had no type of evidence of what she was doing. It was just my soul talking to me. And then I remember her going to go take a shower and she left her phone in her room. And you know, I was in the room too. We was laying in bed. And her phone just started going off right when she got in the shower. And that's when I saw all the stuff that, you get the point. I saw certain things that proved that her loyalty wasn't there. But when I saw it, I wasn't even upset. I wasn't hurt. I was just like, yo, I was right. My intuition wasn't lying. I felt that in my soul, you know what I'm saying? And stuff like that happens. And one thing when it comes to intuition, bro, always trust it. You may not know where it's coming from, but it's coming from somewhere. And that somewhere is God. No cap. You know, like whenever I wake up and my day starts, I always try to speak positive into my life. I always try to speak highly. I'll be like, yo, today I'm gonna have a great day. Today my blessings are coming. You know what I'm saying? My life is about to change. Blessings and blessings and blessings are approaching my life. I would say these certain things just so I can speak some positive energy into my life, yo. Because I feel like we are negative enough. You know what I'm saying? Because let me tell you, negativity is all around us. And I refuse to adapt negativity into my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to be a part of that. I want to speak highly. I want to be more positive. I want to attract good. So in order to do so, I must speak like it. I must speak uplifting. You know what I'm saying? You don't ever want to wake up and be like, yo, today's going to be terrible. Because that's what you're going to attract. What you speak happens. So always try to speak highly no matter how you feel. You know what I'm saying? You may be having a bad day right now. And that's okay. But never admit to it. Just say tomorrow will be better. Or by the end of the day, I will feel better. Stuff like that affects you in a good way. If I'm being honest, having an intuition is our superpower. It is our strength. It really is. And you may ask, like, why? What do you mean by that? Well, let me tell you. An intuition is going to help you stay away from danger. Trust me, you know when danger is around. You have that feeling in your gut because you know. You know what I'm saying? That's your intuition. You have an intuition when something good is about to happen. You know what I'm saying? This is power, yo. This is a whole power, bro. Think about that. And we gotta trust that and be open to it. I know I am. Like, bro, as of recently, yo, I've been in this constant mind state of, bro, something great is about to happen to me. Because I've been through a lot. And I've always kept on going. I never stopped. Never given up. None of that. I wanted to. I thought about it. But did I? I never did. And I feel like my reward is about to approach very, very soon. And this video is going to back me up when it happens. That's all I'm going to say. For sure. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to end this video off right here. You feel me? I just want to say I appreciate all you guys who watch this video from beginning to end. You feel me? Yet again, for my new people, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell while you edit too. I highly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You feel me? Expect my videos, of course. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys want to contact me, my Instagram is right here. So don't be afraid to reach out because I will respond to everybody as long as on the same type of timing. And I love all y'all. Also, if you could share this video to a friend, a family member, or whoever may be going through something, it helps them and it also helps me. So thank you again. I love you and have a good day. Peace. Chill.